Let me ask you something. What do you think this is? Honestly, if I had seen this without knowing beforehand what this was, I would be like, this thing looks really weird. Now, this is a product from Xiaomi Mijia, which is the sub-brand from Xiaomi, and this is a power inverter for the car. So what you can do is you can actually plug this into your car and you get a nice power plug here that you can use to charge anything you want, which is like going to be actually very useful, especially for long distance trips. And not only that, you also have 2 fast charge USB ports here. So we'll see how good this product is, and let's get on with the unboxing first. All right, bros, let's unbox the Xiaomi Mijia Power Converter. What else do we have inside? Absolutely nothing. There we go. That is the Xiaomi Mijia Power Converter. So in terms of build quality, this thing is so heavy. I don't think this can even tip if it's in the car unless you're in like a Ferrari or something. So let's go through the thing really quickly. I'm going to take off this elastic band. So here we have the plug for the car charger. You just plug this in. And then we have a nice braided, very stiff cable that goes all the way to the converter itself. The converter is made out of, I don't know if this is ceramic, porcelain, or just plastic. I think it's plastic. Yeah, it's very heavy as well. So, and here we have the Mijia logo on the top. If you open it up, you see that this is a plug, and there are 2 USB cables here. So this is a Canadian and US plug. I'm gonna put it in. There we go. Perfect. Works good. And these are, I don't know what the other plugs are, but yeah, it does work. So that's good. And on the bottom, this is rubber, so it won't slip if you put it on a car. So let's go out to my car and we'll try it out. So I went out to my car and the plug end fit perfectly into my plug, into my car. And the actual body itself fits very easily into any cup holder you want because it's pretty much the exact same size as a small cup. Once it's inside, you can flip up the cover and you can see that there is a little white LED that tells you that this thing is available for charge, and you can actually start plugging stuff in and charging it as well. So I plugged in the power brick and I plugged in the USB and straight to my Smartisan Nut Pro 2, and it does work, it does charge. And the charging rate is actually pretty fast. This is not a fast charging brick, so I didn't charge the Qualcomm Quick Charge. However, the 2 USBs that you see on this side, those are actually fast charge, so you can fast charge if you want. So this is definitely something that's very useful to me. I'm going to leave this in my car so I can use it whenever I need it. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit like and subscribe if you like this product. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.